Have you driven one of these before?
Yep, but I've been in here. Okay. Where are we going? Straight?
Left. And then another left. Oh yes.
Just unbelievable.
For the money, this car is the biggest bang for the buck.
Yeah.
For 140 grand, you get this.
And get 4 seats that you can
That you
carry.
could use.
Adult.
Look how much room is back there. Dalai Lama's in town.
Straight, right?
Yeah. Right turn.
What's that, right?
Right at the light. This thing echoes in between buildings.
Well, you can tell. I mean,
It's an F1 exhaust.
all right. So difference in the sports exhaust. Quiet.
See, man, it's a huge difference, right? The push of a button. It's
Huge
incredible
difference. Yeah, so you can actually get it into sleeper mode,
Yeah.
like this.
You know, if
Silence.
you're going to church or something.
That's awesome.
You know, it's not the fastest car in the
I
world.
would drive around with in this exhaust like this constantly.
I don't know how to drive it without the Sportline. It's like it's a habit every time I get in the car. Put her
Let me see something.
For an automatic gearbox, it's got quick reaction.
What's
too.
that?
For an automatic gearbox.
Yeah. I love the rev match too.